Namaskar, I'm Cheena from Prana Yoga India. Guys, today's hot topic is about detox water. Many people think that detox water is for flushing out the toxins. Some people believe it's for weight loss, age loss. No. These all are the myths. Yes, my dear friends. Do you know that? In Asian countries, most of the people are suffering from nutritional deficiency. Vitamin C, iron transforming, and vitamin D. Three kinds of deficiencies are very common in Asian countries. And you can really overcome from these deficiencies with your detox water. Detox water is not same for everybody. We have a different body type, different detox water. So let's find what suits you best and you can really overcome with your deficiency. Believe me, make your detox water with Prana Yoga India. Namaskar.